We are at the Hard Rock, Atlantic City, up on the second floor, and we're overlooking the big wheel and the steer peel, but it's not open. So the steer peel is only open on the weekends as of right now, but in the summer it will be open all the time. But look at how beautiful the water is. I wonder if they still have the riptide warnings. We couldn't have asked for a better day. We are at the Hard Rock Casino. Look at how pretty it is outside. We are heading towards the next corner to get a jitney ride back to the Tropicana, where we are staying. Now straight ahead, you can see the marina side where Bogota, MGM, Golden Nugget, and Harris are. And we are on the boardwalk side. And this is, as soon as you turn, this is where the Hard Rock area begins. We're going to be going across the street for getting the jitney. The sign for Hard Rock says, "Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends." Bird went by, and here's the showboat and ocean right next door. So if you don't have a car, or you don't want to take a cab or an Uber, you can take a jitney, and that's how we're getting back to the Tropicana. It's a little green bus that's coming towards us right now. It's $3 a person, or if you are a senior citizen, you can get some stamps, and it is 10 for $7.50, which is 75 cents a ride. But yep, the jitney is still $3. And here we go. So this is the jitney. We are going from Hard Rock to Tropicana. They do run 24 hours a day, and it's $3 a person if you are just a regular paying customer. And if you get some tickets, if you are a senior citizen, it's 10 for $7.50, which is 75 cents a ticket, opposed to the $3 a person. And away we go.